Happy learning, classmates. I would like to introduce you to an amazing digital tool that I use on a weekly basis. This is BrainPop and also BrainPopJr. Today I'm going to talk a little bit and show you BrainPopJr. I am a pre-K teacher, so this is a technology that I can use in my classroom that is developmentally appropriate. It's easy for my students to navigate on iPods and phones at home, as well as on our Promethean board in our classroom. It offers an array of curriculum-based content that help not only the students but also the educators in a variety of subjects. This site features free lesson plans, video tutorials, professional development tools, forums, and a lot more. BrainPop Jr. is what I'm going to share with you today, but because it's what I use in my room. Again, I teach pre-K, and this part of BrainPop is actually designed for pre-K through third grade. It does require a subscription. My school actually shares the subscription with both the families as well as the faculty and staff, so the children and the teachers can also use this as a resource at home and in the classrooms. So let's take a look. It does require a login. I'm going to go ahead over and log in. Says hi, and then you'll come to the screen. Well, here we see that we have different subjects that we can look at. We have science, we have reading, social studies, math, arts, and technology. So today, for this tutorial, we're going to take a look at science. In my class, we have been talking about habitats. So let's go and see what they have for us. As you see, even with the content here for science, there's animals, matter, weather, energy, space. So the sub-subjects are also available for you to break down into specific learning objectives. And here are habitats. So let's see what they have to offer. Even within the habitat section, you have Arctic, you have grasslands, you have freshwater. So for this one, I'm going to choose Arctic and see what they have to offer. So there is a familiar character, and I'm going to play a little bit so that you can kind of see this, but there's the videos. And my students love this. They love Annie and Moby, but Annie and Moby
Where are you going, Moby?
Provide a video with information for your students in regards to whatever subject it is. After looking at the videos, which are engaging and have amazing music and great information, my children are always engaged and they're excited when they see Annie and Moby come on. There are opportunities for quizzes. You can take an easy quiz. After that, there's some wordplay. You can draw about it. You know, what does that look like? Oh, what are plants in the Arctic? Draw a picture. So they have the opportunity to use that. So they infuse art into it also. There is a lesson plan also that we can open, so you can look at the teacher resources, and there it gives you lots of habitat resources to use, related videos, printables, things that you can use for teaching. And who does not love a great joke? And my kids love that.
Pop a joke.
Because you can pop up a joke. You know, what do you call a penguin in the Arctic? Let's see. Lost. So those are some of the things that BrainPop Jr. offers. I think that it's a great resource and tool for your campus to invest in, and it's great to have in your classroom. If you would like, I think you can also have like a free, they do a discount for educators if you are not afforded the opportunity by your school for them to actually pay for a subscription. It would be something that's pretty easy for you to afford as a educator. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and give this digital tool a try in your classroom. Thanks.